Hey guys, welcome
Hello,
to Quest
Mario.
Blog. Today we'll be talking with great guests. So please introduce yourself, guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Himadit. I'm from P section.
Hey guys, my name is Vibhav. I am from the PESU RR campus and I'm from P section as well.
Hello, I'm Utkarsh. I'm from P section as well.
Hi, I'm Ujjwal and I'm from P section as well.
Hi, I'm Tanish and I'm also from P section.
Okay, yeah, guys, let's start off with the questions. So, Himadit, how do you travel to college, or like, how is the travel to college? Do you? Yeah.
The travel is pretty peace actually. In the beginning, it was pretty hectic because I was not used to this schedule, lockdown and stuff. But then in the beginning, I had to wake up at 5:30, so I found it pretty difficult. I had to make my own way till Meenakshi Mall. From there, I catch the bus, the PSU campus bus, and then I reach college by the bus.
So do you think the transport facilities are good? Are they well equipped?
Actually, yeah, I've made a lot of friends in the bus. Also, many seniors, they are really supportive. The seniors are really good. I was really scared on the first day of the college, and I met my senior there, and he kind of made it easy.
Yeah, it's the same thing. We come by metro, so it doesn't make a difference, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I live there.
Oh, and someone like mentioned how far the metro station is from college or something. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the metro station is approximately around a kilometer from the campus. And I mean, it's a pain to haggle with the auto drivers every day. I mean, we haggle with them for 10, 20 bucks. I think what would make it better is if they increase the frequency of the metro shuttle from, both to and fro the campus. And it would be really fun and amazing if they could add a bunch of Yulu bikes. I mean, a Yulu station in front of the college. That would be like massive support because Yulu is comparatively cheaper. And yeah, it will be much better for us.
So our next question is about the precautions taken. So what do you think about the college and its safety precautions during this COVID time? Is it good? Is it satisfactory?
I wouldn't say satisfactory. I would say average because I remember the first day on our first ISA. The response by the college was amazing, and over time it just deteriorated. Because on the first day, I remember clearly that all the guards were, very vigilant with masks up their noses, and they were constantly providing hand sanitizers. But now, and there was also a guy in front of each block, checking our temperature and stuff. It's not much, but it's honest work. And he later on, as time progressed, I could see that decline in everyone just sort of relaxed and pulled their masks down. And I mean, yeah, you could see the quality, you could see the quality of the social distancing as well as the precautionary measures decline because everyone just took it lightly, saying, yeah, the cases are reducing, and we don't need to wear masks that often, or we don't need to sanitize that often. Yeah, that's my main experience in campus.
So yeah, Utkarsh, since you stay in hostel, we've had a few questions about hostel also. So like, how's the hostel food, hostel life? Like, what do you do there?
I mean, first of all, there's a lot of limits on you. Like they won't allow you to leave after 7:30. If you do, you'll be called. Like the parents will be called for being 5 minutes late. The food, there's like three messes there: hostel mess, Namdhari, and food court. Now, if you get hostel mess, it's just crying. You just cry every day eating that bad food. Namdhari is pure veg. I'm pure vegetarian, so it's fine for me. And food court, it's just like hotel. Like you get coupons, you spend coupons, you buy food. It's like that. It's just completely. It's good. Food court's very good.
Like your favorite food on the hostel, or like, is there anything that other hostelites would like?
I mean, there's paneer. Paneer is the best thing there. The food court, like. And then like, food court is mainly famous for its non-veg. Like they provide non-veg every lunch and dinner. But the thing is, it's very limited. Like if you go 15 minutes later, like the lunch timing or dinner timing, you'll just miss it. Like there's so many non-veg people, they just like cry. They were late and they don't get food. Someday some guy complained that they're not getting food. So they kept a head count. They checked instead of 240, 340 people came. And then next time they like allocated like people to check for your allocated message, and then only then they will allow you, and then only then you can get your food. Like they try to maintain it, like they try to allow everyone to get food and all.
So Ujjwal, what do you think about hackathons and clubs? How's the experience?
My first hackathon, pretty much, I was very confused about what to do, how to go about it. But the project we did was pretty simple, but it was worth the experience. It was worth the time we actually allotted for it. Yeah, but even though we weren't exceptional, I mean, we got an idea as to how things will be in the future about hackathons and about clubs. The Hackerspace Club I really like. I really like the work that they're doing, putting it free for everyone. Yeah, and I like that. I like how the seniors are taking time. They're leaving their third years, which is a pretty hectic year, which I've heard, and taking time for us and doing a lot of things which might help, which will help us in the future.
So you would say that these hackathons are very friendly towards freshers?
Yeah, it is. It is very friendly, especially the Discord server.
Remember, we even had a freshers track for the hackathon.
Yeah,
true. Yeah.
Like, they actually care about freshers participating, and they know that the seniors have more experience in hackathons, and that there should be a separate track for freshers and stuff.
So yeah, Tanish, tell us the difference between the reality and expectations of college life in PES.
Okay, so some aspects I'd say are same as what I expected. Some aspects are different. I'll start with the different aspects. Like in 11th and 12th, people always used to say, you study now, you won't have to ever study again. That is completely not true. Once you come to PES, you'll realize that. I mean, you'll have to study, you'll have to work hard, basically. But many aspects are same also. Like people used to say that once you go to college, you'll have a lot of extracurricular stuff, sports, those kind of things. Yeah, definitely you'll find them here. Not only studies. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, I'd say that some aspects are same and some are different.
So do you think it's better than your expectations or worse?
In some ways it's better, some ways it's worse. Overall, I can't really say.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so in some Bollywood movies, we see the main protagonist entering college in some mad bike and stuff. And he's flexing on all his peers. Right now, we enter college in BMTC or autos, and we flex on each other regarding whether or not we take BMTC or autos.
And also this thing where your parents tell you once you turn 18, you can do anything you want. And once you come to college, it's just the same.
Yeah, that's another thing which many people were talking about. It's just how similar it is to school, right? PES is not like a proper college as such. It's very similar to school.
Yeah, and the fact that it starts that early, 8:15. I mean, our colleges starts at like 9, 10.
9:30.
Our college starts at like 8.
Do you guys prefer online classes or offline classes?
Offline.
Offline. The fun you have with friends is completely different.
Offline.
Yeah, I prefer offline classes more than online classes.
Yeah, I prefer offline classes because of the whole college experiences that you get.
We go in the same order. Like Himadit, then Vibhav, then Vaibhav.
I'll hit you, Dad. It's not Vaibhav. It's Vibhav. It's
Sorry,
not Vaibhav.
it's Vibhav. I said Vibhav and then I corrected myself.
Yeah.
Please, guys, mera ganta maar do.
What the hell, bro?
That's a good one.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and click here to subscribe.